What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. All right, check it out. So I want to talk today about a really quick, simple Tacoma mod that you can do that just gives a little pop to your truck. And I think everybody should get it. It's super basic, super easy, and there's a couple ways you can do it. And that is the tailpipe, right? Replacing your tailpipe on your exhaust. So the way you get it is you get a tailpipe with a bracket to tighten it around, and then you get these little like little fittings to fit, because the tailpipe is obviously smaller than this opening, actually this one. So you're gonna fit these in there just to give it that, and then when you tighten this down, it doesn't crush your tailpipe or crush the end of the tip. So to be honest with you, the preferred way is to not even use any of this and just take it to a welding shop, or if you have a welder, you can get an adapter that goes around your tailpipe that fits like right over this, and you slide this in there and then you can just weld it on, and it just looks a lot better. I don't have any of that, and I don't feel like driving to the muffler shop. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna use this and then position the bracket probably, I don't even know, either straight up or on the inside. So when you look at the back of the truck, you'll actually see that, and you won't see like this. So I might position it like that. So we'll see. But anyway, it's got a little Toyota emblem on there. These are on Amazon for like 60 bucks, 65 bucks, something like that. I'll link it for you in the description. But this is the one I got, and I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna use with the adapter or with the bracket and the little fittings inside so it doesn't crush the pipe when I tighten it. But let's do it. Let me jump right in, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. All right, see you in a minute. All right, so what you're gonna do, here's the tailpipe. Here's the bare tip. You're gonna put the little bracket on here. Don't worry about positioning it where you want it just yet. You just fit it over. Now this is a preference thing here. Depends how far you want it to stick out. So if you want it to stick out like that far, you're gonna position it about right there. And right now I'm on where it's on that little lip though, so I'm on the thicker end of it. So I could actually tighten it just like this if I wanted to. To me, that's a little far. So I'm actually gonna come in. So there's the end of the tailpipe right there. I'm actually gonna come just about right there. Position the Toyota emblem right on the top. Then you're gonna fit these pieces right in here like this, right? To where it's all in there. Reposition it where you want it. That, and then tighten it down. Like I said about the bracket, it depends. It's a preference thing. Do you want it to sit on the top? Do you want it to sit on the side where you don't really see it? So if you're looking at the back of the truck, you're not going to see that if you position it like that, right? You won't see it, because a lot of times when people are parked behind you or stopped behind you, they might see that thing there, but they're going to see it no matter what if they change the angle. It just, I think I'm going to position mine on the side like that, so it gives a better view of here of the tailpipe. Looks like one piece. And eventually I think I'll take it into a muffler shop when I eventually get this thing, you know, modded out a little bit with a lift, things like that. I'll have them weld the pipe on instead. So I think that's a much better look. Let me tighten this down, and we'll get a final look. All right, so there it is. Nice, quick, easy mod. Looks so much cleaner. Look at that. Love it. Like I said, the preferred way is obviously to not have that big old bracket on there, and you have that just nice solid, just the tip on there with a nice flow without this bracket. But, and another thing is a reason why to get it welded on. It's it's easier. It's a lot harder to steal. This makes it. All these loosen that bolt. You know, good 8-9 turns. Boom, they can slide this thing right off and be gone. But you can see obviously where I mounted it. There's the original pipe right there. I have a little bit, maybe like ½ inch past that. And there it is. Nice, quick, easy install. And that's it. It's that simple. Quick little mod for your Tacoma. Little tailpipe addition there. Make it look a little sleeker. And that's it. So I'll link in the description which one that I got right on Amazon. Like I said, it was like 65 bucks, I think. Got it for Christmas though. But it's something I had on my wish list for a while. I wasn't expecting to get it. It's pretty cool. So super, super grateful to have something like that and have family get me those little awesome little mods that I wanted. But that's it. All right, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.